Okay, so like that means not only problems here, stories are many kind of stories will be there, ma. Like whenever we are working on different environments at that time, different stories will be there. Okay, based on the project or based on the events, based on the any like we are going to be conducting any organization meeting. Okay, for that everything there will be a stories, and in our daily life also we are going to discuss stories also, right? ఒకరి మీద ఒకరు చెప్పుకోవడం ఇవన్నీ these all things are going to be included, right? So like that means many type of stories are there. But coming to this working environment, ma, here stories are nothing but here stakeholder or customer reviews, or they are giving some information. Okay, customer or stakeholders, whoever want to develop any project, okay, before developing any project, here they will be giving their requirements, okay, their information for the particular project. Okay, according to that requirements and information, okay, of that customer, they will be focusing how to develop and what to develop. Who will be focusing? Developers, right? These developers will be focusing based on this requirement of these customers. Okay, customers and the stakeholders, here they will be focusing on this project, how to develop, what to develop, is that story is suitable. Okay, if that story is perfect, then how many iteration it is going to be take, and according to that they will be doing some planning, ma. According to that they will be doing some planning, and according to that they will be scheduling, right? So there are n number of stories will be there. Okay, different stories like customer stories will be there, documentation, and based on the requirements, and bug stories. Whenever spikes are there, spike stories will be there. Okay, like that lot of stories will be there. So the main purpose of this story is nothing but to gather the information. Okay, to gather the information of particular project, so that the developers are going to be implementing that stories within that particular iterations, right? So here story cards are there. Story cards already we have discussed. What is the story cards, ma'am? Here whenever they are going to be starting their project, here definitely they will be conducting some meetings, right? So first planning. Okay, planning, based on that meeting, based on that they will be creating some informative workspace, right? So these story cards mainly created in teams. Okay, whoever are working in projects or whoever are doing any task, okay, they will be creating these all story cards and making the environment has a informative workspace, right? Has a informative workspace. What happened? Any problem? Who is that? Roshita? Any doubt? So here they will be creating some informative workspace. On that they will be discussing about all the stories. Yeah, Roshita, are you there? Can you off your mic? So here story cards is nothing but it is helpful for the teams, okay, and they will be creating some informative workspace. That is the first point, right? And second, here why we are talking about the stories, right? We are talking about the stories here. What means stories are going to be depend on customers, right? So here they will be focusing on the customer centricity, means whatever the customer is giving their requirements, we are going to be planning that all the stories and we are implementing on that workspace, right? So customer centricity is nothing but the stories are planned in customer requirements in workspace. Whatever their requirements are there, okay, customer requirements are there, nakila kavali, you have to do these all things in you have to include these all things in the project so that I can use Okay, like that they will be giving their side of stories. With that, we are going to be creating, doing the plan, and we are creating some workspace, and we are splitting that story into a small parts if it is a large, and we are each and individual are working on that particular stories. Okay, and they will be finally at last they have to complete that story in that particular iteration, right? Like that, depend upon that story, they are going to be splitting, or otherwise they will be assigning to the different teams, and they will be completing their task to within that iterations, right? And like that, customer centricity, mainly it will be focused on the customer requirements, and there are some special kind of stories. Okay, special kind of stories means some documentation stories will be there. Okay, this is documentation stories is totally related to the work, how the work has done, how the product has been prepared, like that all the documentations they are going to be preparing. Now you people are working for your major project, you people have completed your project. Now it's time to develop the documentation. Documentation means a clear note, a clear or a brief note, so that the other person is going to see this documentation clearly, they can understand what they have done and what is your project, what is what. Okay, so like that clear idea they will be getting, means clear view of your project they can see. So that is about the documentation stories. And non-functional stories, so this non-functional stories related to performance, scalability, and stability. Is our project is advantage or not? Okay, if it is disadvantage, how it will be disadvantage, so in future what we can do to this all problems, how we can solve this all problems. Like that we are giving some future scope also, right? Future scope also. So non-functional stories will be there, means related to performance, how it is working. Okay, so for example, whenever you people are going to buy any mobile or laptop, so based on that performance, means how many days that battery will be coming. Okay, like that you will be seeing the performance mainly, right? And scalability and stability, then only you will be purchasing that particular product, right? So like that, to do that much means to provide a branded products in the market, they will be identifying these all things, right? So the each and everything is having the different stories. And next, bug stories. Bug stories means here whenever we are working on any project, ma'am, డైరెక్ట్ గా అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేసేయాలనేది గ్యారంటీ లేదు. ఓకే, డైరెక్ట్ గా వితౌట్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ we have to get output, means that is highly impossible, right? Highly impossible. So here whenever we are working on this project, definitely you will be facing means you will be facing some problems, you have to try and you have to fix and you have to solve, right? So like that bug stories will be there. Okay, if we know these bug stories ela untai. Okay, if we know this bug, okay, already known bug. Okay, if another bug is there, okay, I don't know this bug, but it is going to be taking lot of time, so that in that case what I will be doing, I will be involving to my team members. Okay, I will be sharing to team leader, or I will be taking the help of this domain expert. Okay, to solve, which is going to take the long time. Okay, like that, but finally I have to resolve that bug, right? Finally I have to resolve that bug. So that means that kind of a bug stories will be there, means stories related to bug resolving, how to resolve and how, right? So same like that only, if in your life, if you people are getting any type of a problem, okay, either a financial, either a studies, either any kind health or anything, so you people will be trying to focus on that and trying to solve that, right? ఎప్పటిదాకా సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతారమ్మా, until you will be happy. Okay, so ala, in that way only you have to solve all the problems in the project, right? Finally you have to get the results. And spike solution stories, ma, what is this spike stories means? Here These are also the stories, okay, which are estimated after the completion of outputs or work done. So here how they are going to be estimating means, here for example, my one product has been released, ma. Okay, a product, some iPhone. Okay, iPhone. So starting, see the graph, starting, we don't know about that iPhone, right? So what we will, only few customers will be taking, okay. And suddenly here these few customers, what they did, they passing the information about that, this iPhone is very good, and cost is also okay. Okay, like that, they are giving some reviews on that iPhone. Based on that reviews and based on the advertisements, here suddenly it will be going to be raising, okay. Everyone are going to be taking and purchasing, okay, whoever is having a good financial support, they are going to be taking, right? So like that means, spike stories means, whatever the output means, whenever we have developed any product, okay, from ఒకటేసారి మనకి ఈ లెవెల్లో మనం రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే highly impossible, right? For example, if you people are keeping any like business of any shop, okay, which business should I select? Okay, which business should I select? If I select any based on the requirement, okay. So here we are developed one business, okay. Day by day, ఫస్ట్ డేనే వచ్చి ఇవన్నీ అయిపోవాలనేది కాదు, రైట్? సో డే బై డే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఇంప్రూవింగ్, రైట్? టేక్ ఏ పానీపూరి బిజినెస్. సో ఫస్ట్ he is going to be starting, few persons are going to be testing, and these three persons, what they will be doing, okay, Indratej, Abhinav, and this Mani Chandana, okay, they are passing this information, arre ikkadi corner la pani puri super untadi, so that you can go and test. So what your other friends will be doing, they will be rushing to that place, okay, like that means suddenly we should not going to be means, ప్రాఫిట్స్ అనేది అక్కడ మనకి ఒకటేసారి రావాలనేది కాదు. సో స్పైక్ స్టోరీస్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ ఆల్సో, వెన్ ఎవర్ we are working on any particular project, once it is done, okay, after done also మనకు ప్రాఫిట్స్ వస్తున్నాయా లేవా ఆ స్టోరీ ఉంటది. ఏమైనా రివ్యూస్, ఏమైనా ఎలా రివ్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి, బ్యాడ్ రివ్యూస్ ఆ గుడ్ రివ్యూస్, దాట్ స్టోరీస్ విల్ బి దేర్. different stories will be there, depend upon that spike stories, right? And results, and at last with the help of these stories, what will be the result? So customer is going to be understanding that particular product, and they will be approving, means they will be satisfied with that, okay. Once their requirement and everything is reached, according to that they will be working on that particular product. Means when you use the stories well, definitely the on-site customers understand all the work, okay, they approve and schedule. So that will be the results for this particular stories. And contradictions and alternatives means, you have no replacement for the stories to make, okay. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే, whenever the stories are given by these customers, definitely we have to put that all stories in that particular iteration, right? In a story but replacement చేయలేం, means particular story have to release in this particular iteration I1. So in that way you have to plan and you have to schedule, all right? So like that you are going to be splitting, you are going to be dividing that task, and you are going to be working on that particular stories, right? So this is about the stories and how these stories means, first of all, to collect this all the stories on information, definitely we have to do a planning, right? So here the two things are mainly important, ma. One is the customer value, and second one is the completion criteria. Customer value means they are giving their all requirements here. Based on that customer terminology only, we are going to be developing the products, and we are going to be implementing that all things, right? At the end, whatever the results or the output should be focused on the customer values only. And second important characteristic, so completion, okay. For this completion, here we are going to be putting a plan, okay. Within this particular iteration, we have to complete this particular story, right? These particular stories, okay. Some, for example, as our Manasa said, that some our customers are sorry, here if we are having any 1 to 10 stories means, whatever the 10 stories are there, Okay, here they will be splitting with each other, okay, splitting in teams, and finally they have to complete that stories within that iterations. Okay, like that they have to complete, mean focus on the completion criteria. ఎలా చేస్తే కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది ఇన్ టైంలో, ఓకే, సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా ఆ స్టోరీ. Okay, these all things you need to focus. So these two characteristics are important whenever you are working on the stories, right? And here these are not the examples of the stories, ma. So whatever, after gathering all the stories, we are working on that, means automate integrations builds will be there. Okay, we are developing that, and we are going to be deploying on the different servers outside and protecting our data, whatever the projects are there. And finally it will be focus on the end result, ma. Okay, it should be focus on the end result. Whatever the things you do, you integrate or you are deploying at any other servers, and you are protecting your data with the firewalls, right? So here mainly your focus should be on end result. And here customer, whatever, it doesn't use the customer terminology, provide the demo that customer review board can use would be better, right? So customer don't understand what is this all thing, integration servers, how it is protecting firewall, these all things. So whenever the product is released in the markets, right, whenever the product is released in the market, definitely they will be giving some reviews, right, demos, how to use, where to implement, right? So for example, if you people purchase any washing machine or any oven or anything electronic item, so here means whatever the product they need demo, okay, for that only they will be providing the demos. Okay, two kinds ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు మొబైల్ కూడా తీసుకుంటారు, స్టార్టింగ్ they will be giving some demo, but most probably everyone knows how that mobile is working. It is a user friendly. Okay, some products definitely we need demo, then only we can understand and we can use, right? So one product is there like washing machine you take, so how to use, okay, these all demos are going to be provided by that particular company persons, right? They will be providing that all demos. So according to that, customers are going to be interacting and they are going to be working on, means they are going to be utilizing that products, right? And second, improve performance. Okay, improve performance means these all are not a stories, ma. It is also part of that project whenever we are going to be developing. So definitely we want to improve the performance, right? Based on the feedback or based on the reviews, based on that all things we will be gathering all things, and based on that we will be doing, means to make a better product and to provide a better product in the market. Definitely we will be working on that so that we can improve our performance, right? Has no clear completion criteria, simply similarly make it fast enough for my boss to be happy, lacks objective completion criteria, searches complete within 1 second is better. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఇంప్రూవ్ ద పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మీన్స్ నాకు ఆ టైం ఇచ్చేసారు, ఆ ప్లాన్ ఇచ్చేసారు, విత్ ఇన్ దట్ ప్లాన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డన్. ఓకే, డన్ డన్ అంటే అవ్వ ముందుకే డన్ డన్ అని చెప్పి మీ బాస్ కి, మీ టీమ్ లీడ్ కి, వాళ్ళందరికీ హ్యాపీ చేస్తే at last you will be suffering to improve the performance, right? If bugs or anything will be arising, then at last you will be facing the problems, right? So these are the two characteristics, and other than that, two stories, okay, not a stories, we can say that these all things are going to be seen in the projects. And story cards, as we discussed, story cards are nothing but here it is providing some informative workspace, where everyone will be gathering and discussing about that. And like that only some index cards will be there. It will be helpful to the stakeholders, like they will be pasting, giving some information in a short, okay, like some index cards will be there. And here product manager and stakeholders will be deciding, okay, what kind of a story should be added in the release plan and how much time it will be taking. Okay, they will be making some brief discussion and allowing all the programmers to estimate the stories, right, and to check these all things. And here developers, and fourth point is nothing but developers are going to be writing and they are going to be estimating, making some few notes on the cards and providing to the stakeholders and product managers so that the cards are going to be releasing within that particular release plans. Means they will be taking some sticker notes or some cards or charts. Okay, on that they are putting their few points of notes so that they will be focusing on that and they will be trying to release in that particular plan. And physical index cards, okay, enable it enables the way of working in a very easy and natural way, that's surprisingly difficult to replicate with computerized tools. So here they will be using, means to make work better here, to make the easy setup and easily understandable according to the trend, and according to that they will be allowing all the changes, and they will be changing the process and configurations or the programming. If anything is unable to understand or unable to implement, they will be changing that process and they will be making it as easy, not a tough, right? So like that here index physical cards, means whatever should be, whatever they have developed in project, it should be in understandable way, right? And customer centricity means here based on the customer, here first preference we are going to be giving to the customers. Okay, from that customers we are getting all the necessary stories and we are going to be implementing in our projects and we are going to be working on that, right? Finally we are introducing that all requirements in that particular products, right? If stories may be some small or some large, small is there means we can work, okay. If it is large means definitely we have to split and after that we have to combine it, and in releasing meeting or release plan we have to focus on that, right? And summarize the various options for splitting stories. Okay, we can split the stories in various options. One is along with the boundaries. Okay, one is along with the boundaries of the data supported by the story. Okay, you are giving some boundaries, within that you have to complete like that. Few stories will be like that, and some large stories based on the operations, okay, how it is performing. So within that story you will be splitting. And some stories will be like a crude, means create, read, update, delete operation. You have to create, you have to check, okay, like that you are going to be doing this kind of stories are there, means you are going to be giving to the other like team members, different teams you are going to be assigning. And finally you will be removing removing the cross cutting concerns, right? And creating some two version of stories. One is without support, right? Without support for the cross cutting. ఓకే, ఏ రీజన్స్ లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యేది అలాంటి స్టోరీస్ ఉంటాయి. కొన్ని ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే లార్జ్ ఉంటాయి, సెపరేట్గా చేసి దానికి ఫంక్షనల్ ఏంటిది, నాన్ ఫంక్షనల్. Okay, we have to identify these all things and we have to make a separate things. Okay, like functional requirements, non-functional requirements you have seen in the SC, right? Software engineering. And separate a large story into a smaller stories, and like that you are going to be splitting and giving the priorities to all the stories. So this is about ఏంటిదమ్మా, this is about stories, right? And there are the special stories already Manasa has discussed, right? Like documentation stories are there. In this we are going to be focusing on the completion criteria and simply we are providing some manual. And second, non-functional stories will be there, means based on that performance, scalability. Okay, these all called as a non-functional requirements. According to that we are going to be scheduling and we are focusing on that. And bug stories will be there, how to fix, how to edit that bug, okay, how much time it will be taking, and how to track that softwares. Okay, like the bug stories will be there. Okay, fix the bug and try to edit that bug, or otherwise if it is taking much time means discuss with your team members, right? Discuss with your team members and try to get final solution. So these are the special stories. These are the special stories where we can see, right? So this is about the stories.